So this is second example, and this is a grammar and this is a string to be generated from this grammar. So based in our previous example we saw how to solve it step by step. So let me explain this now. The leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation. So if you consider this leftmost derivation, first we need to take xy because your first string starts with x. So here I considered x, and in place of y we substituted. So here in place of this y it should be x y y because next three strings they are related to x y y. So I took x y y, and in place of this y can be replaced with small y. So we got first three strings from this. So here we are substituting from left to right. Okay, so how we got this first step? This is s derives xy. Next, here in place of this y we are placing x y y. Okay, after this y is replaced with small y. Capital Y is replaced with small y. Next, in this fourth case, here next string should be y again. So let us take that string as s. So we already got 4 y's. So in place of this capital Y, capital Y, substitute ys. Okay. So after this, now we got xxyy. So in place of this s, your string should begin with x. In that way you need to consider production for x. So we can take xy, s derives xy. And here this y should be replaced with ys. So y is replaced with ys because next string should be, here we got x. So till xx, yx, till here it is processed. Next symbol should be y. So we considered this y is replaced with ys. Now this one is also processed. Here this s should be replaced with yx. Okay, so s should be replaced with yx. Why? Because here next string should be y. So you need to take this production in such a way that you will get y. So we just considered yx here, and after this x can be, so till now we got xx, yy, xy, y. Xx, yy, xy, y. Now last symbol is x. So you can replace this x with capital X with small x. So this is your final string. Okay. In the same way, you can do for rightmost derivation also. So first initially we have s derives xy. Next, here you need to start replacing from right to left side. So first you need to replace this y. So replace that y with what? xy. Replace this y with xy. Next, replace this y with ys. So now here this s should be replaced with yx because at the end your string should terminate with x. So here as we have production x derives x, you can take capital X in that way. Okay, s should be substituted with yx. y capital X, and now capital X is replaced with small x. Now if you observe this term, we got last three terms y by x. Now we need to proceed forward. Sorry, we need to proceed backward here. So what is the leftover non-terminal to be replaced? Here we have capital Y. So that Y should be replaced in such a way. Here we already have XX. Next string should be Y. So this Y should be selected in such a way that it should produce Y as a terminal symbol. So let us check that those productions. Here we have Ys. So substitute this capital Y with Ys. Next, now we got XX, YY. So first set of strings we got, and then last three strings we got them before itself. Okay, these strings and these strings. Now we need only this X. So check whether S can be replaced with small x. So here X cannot be replaced with small x directly. Okay. So what should we do now? Here S should be replaced with Yx. So before we got only XXY. So this S is replaced with Yx. Okay, this was production. And after this, now we got first set and second set. In between we need X only. So this check whether X produces terminal X. Yes, X is producing this terminal X. So you can write it like this. X derives small x. So in this way you need to check the production. So whenever the string is given to you, first you need to find out which production should be selected and then which non-terminal should be replaced. Okay, based on the given string, you need to select both of them. And this is the solution for this grammar.